Okay, my name is Nathan with Syscoin. I'm business development. Today I want to talk about proof of work in a roll-up environment. Syscoin was launched in 2014. It was originally decentralized eBay. We realized that that type of business application didn't really work for blockchains. So we went back to the drawing board and came up with a really unique architecture. We have two chains running in parallel, a UTXO and an EVM. The UTXO is merged with Bitcoin, recycling that hash rate and passing it to the EVM. And on the EVM side, we're running rollups. So essentially, we are pegging that rollup proof to the Bitcoin proof of work. We think this is a big deal because we see Bitcoin as the gold standard for security. For instance, proof of stake, the security in that type of consensus, is a measure of the level of collateral on the network. So in a proof of stake dominant world, where rollups are the dominant scaling type, we're going to see most chains posting their proof to Ethereum because it has the highest level of collateralization. We are offering an alternative product, which is extending the functionality of Bitcoin and allowing any EVM Geth type, Geth compliant application plug and play with our product. This has some really interesting implications because if you're in Bitcoin right now, your main method of DeFi is wrapping it and putting it in Ethereum, but it separates it from the proof of work, which is the most valuable aspect of Bitcoin. It's all that energy and effort that goes into verifying the validity of the chain. It's the difference between Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin because the code bases are very similar, but the effort that goes into verifying all those transactions is very different. So we see ourselves as an agnostic, decentralized security layer for a roll-up dominated world. We also have some interesting symbiotic effects with Bitcoin because the Bitcoin proof of work is, the security of Bitcoin is ultimately a function of the revenue that miners can generate. And when you are merge mining Syscoin on top of Bitcoin, you are generating more profit as a miner and recycling that hash rate and getting extra function out of it. That's kind of the product.